guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, slap that subscribe button. I'm always making new car content. Alright, so today I got something a little bit different than I normally do. So as most of you subscribers know, that from the channel I have a 09 C6 Corvette. I'm not normally really a tuner guy or an import guy, but my friend Load has this Evo 8, it's a 2003 model, and it's definitely far from stock. It's making about 500 horsepower, and I wanted to make a video on it. It's really nice, it's a clean car. Honestly, it turns a lot of heads. Evos are something that you don't see a whole lot of. You do see a lot of Corvettes, mainly because it's old people who have them. But Evos is something a little bit more rare, so I wanted to get a review on it and show you guys ins and outs of the car. Alright guys, I have the Evo fired up here. We run up here to the local gas station, get everything set up. But so again, for those of you that know me, I'm really more of a domestic guy, Chevrolet in general. I'm just a Corvette person, but these Evos are really cool. I really didn't think a whole lot about them until my buddy Lo got one. He's actually had this one for, gosh, I don't know, it's probably been close to 3 years now. He's done a whole lot of stuff to it. He's got a list for me. I'm going to go over here in just a few moments, but the car's a really cool car. Still got AC, stuff like that. Like I said, it's making about 500 horsepower to the wheels. I think it's 440 or 450 torque, so it's definitely a healthy car. These cars don't weigh that much. And honestly, it's just a lot of fun to drive. If you like a car with turbo and turbo noises, this is one of the best ones for it. But so I'm going to take off here. Gears are very notchy, solid. I'm pretty sure he's told me that it has straight cut gears in the first and second. All right, taking off. Okay, car's got good power. So right off the bat, I can already tell the car on bottom end is tuned pretty well for it to be this kind of car. It is just a 4-cylinder making 500 horsepower, so that's a lot. I know it's not the most in the world, but it's definitely a stout car. Yeah, gears are definitely really notchy. He's got a grip royal steering wheel, and I think it's the NRG hub, if I'm not mistaken. You can take on and off. That's really cool. Oh yeah, it's not that hard to drive. The clutch is actually heavier than it is in my car. I just have a stock LS3 clutch, but I love to hear the turbo noises. Again, I'm not an import guy, but that's always so much fun. Car seems very balanced. Drives really good. It's not too rough. And honestly, there's a lot of visibility in here. You can see out really good. If you know Evos, it's a 4-door car. I wouldn't necessarily call it a family car, but with it being 4 doors, you know, it's easier to fit in here than say like a Camaro or something like that with 2 doors and tiny ass back seats. Nobody really likes that, but or it could be like my car, C6 Corvette, and not have any back seats. You know, even in 5th gear, this car, I mean, it still moves just fine. Here the turbo starts pulling, and then it really starts pulling. It's just a quick car. It really is. Very nimble. Feel like it can eat a turn. And as always, these cars are always going to be great in the snow as well, with it being all-wheel drive. Pretty sure Load has tested that itself. Got some railroad tracks here. Second. has done to it. Alright, so it's got a fully built Buschur Racing 2.4 liter 4G63 long block. It's got a 4G63 head, GSC R2 Billet cams. It's got a black ball bearing turbo with a stock manifold, but it's been ported. It's got a Walbro 450 pump. It's got fuel injector clinic 1200cc injector, so you know that's good. JDC Customs cool-on plug kit. So again, if anybody knows much about Evos, they've probably heard of Casey Harris or Casey tuned cars. He, as far as I know, he mainly just does Evos. First gear is actually really short in these cars. It's almost pointless. As soon as I get in it, I'm gonna have to shift. Alright, second gear at 35. I'm gonna brake boost it. Shit. She was moving out a little bit right there. This thing, I know my car's faster on top end because we've raced before, but I'm telling you, this Evo will whoop my ass on bottom end. I know it would. When it hooks up like that, the all-wheel drive, it's fun. That's fun. It's a fun car. If you're looking for a car that is, and you're in the more of an import guy than a muscle car, you can afford it because these cars are kind of expensive. But on the flip side of that, they do hold their value really well if you take care of them. But if you can afford this, then this is one hell of a car. It's just a lot of fun to drive. Coming into town now, and it's, you know, it's a pretty well reserved car. The car doesn't feel like it's about to fall apart all the time. Honestly, I give Load shit all the time because he has an Evo, and Evos, like I said, they're not known for being the most reliable cars in the world. But honestly, Load, if you're watching this, I like your car, man. It's a lot of fun. I don't necessarily, it's not my style to have to own for myself, but as far as just getting in it and driving it, it's a really fun experience. Appreciate you for letting me use your car on the channel. Hopefully you can hear that blow-off valve. It's really like I said, you know, if you guys want to see more reviews on cars, leave it in the comments or drop a thumbs up on the video. It's really my first real shot at trying to do a car review. I did one on my car. I really didn't like the way it turned out though, and I really think it's a lot better to do reviews on other people's cars because it's something that's new to you. You're not used to it, so you can pick out all the imperfections really fast, or pick up on the really good things really fast because it's something you're not used to. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to see more of that, you know, just drop a comment and let me know. All right, guys, that pretty much sums up the review for the Evo. As far as my thoughts on it, as you probably saw in the thumbnail of this video, am I going to trade my Corvette for an Evo? No. I still love my Vette. It's my baby. I can't get rid of it, but this car is a ton of fun, and it's fun in a different way that my car is fun. And that's a good thing. You know what? If all the cars were the same, they wouldn't be fun. It's cool having a difference in them. But if you guys will go give my buddy Gene a follow on Instagram, I believe it's that guy Lloyd on Instagram. I'll put his handle on there so you guys can follow him and follow the car if you want. He's always posting pictures of stuff he's doing to it. He actually might be joining the Corvette clan here soon. So anyways, thank you guys for watching again. I said this at the beginning of the video, but if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We just passed 350. I know that's not much compared to other channels, but I really enjoy watching it grow, and you never know what it could be one day. But I'm always trying to make some content with cars and different stuff, so if you guys enjoy cars, please subscribe. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it more than you know. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day and take it easy.